Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel My Research Support. So friends, recently I have prepared one video about correcting English of your research article or thesis. Link is there in the description. Please go through that video. There we have also discussed about some free grammar checking softwares and paid grammar checking softwares. So friends, if you have decided to go for these grammar checking softwares or preferably Grammarly, then this video will help you. So in this video, you will be getting an exact idea about to what extent your research article or thesis can be corrected with the help of Grammarly software, and then probably you will make your choice whether you have to go for Grammarly premium accounts or not. But prior to that, I would like to clear one misunderstanding that the research scholars might be having in their minds. With the help of these grammar checking softwares or Grammarly, you will be able to rewrite a complete manuscript. So this is completely wrong. See, every grammar checking software is having its own effectiveness, accuracy and database. Why the Grammarly is widely used? This is because Grammarly is having very huge database, and the accuracy level, if you compare with the other softwares, then you will find Grammarly is having highest accuracy. But there are certain limitations or disadvantage we can say the Grammarly is having. Means the Grammarly can only used for English language or wherever the research writing will be in English language. And the one most important disadvantage of Grammarly is having very high cost. If you are going for the full feature account, then it will cost you around $130 to $140 a year. So in this video, I'll be providing you with a complete demo of using this Grammarly premium accounts with MS Office Word. We'll consider one paragraph and we'll correct all the grammatical mistakes from that paragraph, and we'll perform all the operations, or we'll use all the features of this Grammarly premium account, and so that you will get exact idea at what level your manuscript can be corrected with the help of Grammarly premium accounts. When this Grammarly premium account is installed in your PC and it is activated by this Grammarly personal, you have to just open this Microsoft Word and you have to consider any research article or thesis. From that you need to remove the grammatical mistake. For example, I am considering this file. See, this is basically a Grammarly plugin that we attach here, or extension that we attach with Microsoft Office. So as we know that you can just observe this drop down menu, and one most important thing that for the smooth conduction of this function of Grammarly, you should have at least i3 plus processor and you should have 2007 plus Microsoft Office version. When this Grammarly premium account is installed, you will be getting this option. You can observe here Grammarly. You will be getting access to this Grammarly from this option also, and here right side you will be having this option. So you have to just click any of the option. I am just clicking on this drop down menu. So now you will get a window where you will be getting different options. These options are not yet highlighted. So again you have to press on this tab, open Grammarly. You have to just click on it. So in right side, as soon as you will click on it, in the right side, this Microsoft Office will connect to the Grammarly server. See, internet connection is must in order to correct the grammatical mistakes. This is connected, and you have to observe this part. Here you will see right corner, the total in this research article, the total grammatical mistakes are 226. As you can see here, these are the total grammatical mistakes. So before coming toward this manuscript and the grammatical mistake, you have to just understand whatever options you will be having. See, all these options, as you can see here. If you wanted to close the Grammarly, you can just click on this tab. So adjust goals, this is again most important tab. You have to just click on this tab, adjust goal. So as soon as you will click on this, you will be getting this window. So you will be having different options: general audience, general, knowledgeable, expert. So I'll recommend you to go with this expert. By default, you will find when the software is installed and activated, you will find knowledgeable option. And second, formality, whether you are writing informal English, neutral or formal. So in this case you may consider neutral or formal. I may recommend you to use formal. Domain, are you writing from academic purpose, business, general and technical? See, I am from technical, I need to write a technical research article, so I have selected this one. You may select academic, may select business or general, and then after setting your goal you have to just click on done. See, accordingly this database, observe this right side, accordingly this database will be varied, as I already talked or I already discussed about this. Grammarly is having really huge database, so accordingly, according to your goals, this database will be changed, little bit changed, not completely. And now all issues, see, you can go on correcting individual issue, correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery, etc. Or right now I have selected this all issues, so there are total 226 mistakes. See, I have written this research article carefully, but still it is having total 226 mistakes. So we'll just see these options. You'll find one option can be called as correctness. So there are total 167 mistakes, those I need to correct. You'll find this correctness is highlighted with the red color, means whichever words those are highlighted with the red, those are wrong words or need to be replaced, or there is some mistakes with this word. For example, you can consider any of the word. So you may consider this presence. Why it is highlighted with the red line? See, you can consider this word presence. So you have to just click on that word. As soon as you will click on that word, on the right side the correctness will be indicated. So it should be the presence, so this should be added. So you have to just click on here, so it will be replaced with the correct word. Then here you will find this is again indicated with the red line, so you have to again just click on this, so this should be added with A. Similarly, which is there, just click on it, so the comma should be used here, so I have to just click, so it will be replaced. So this is red. In this way, see, in some cases where these words are maybe the name of specific materials, those cannot be, see here also magnetorheological fluids, so this is a name of fluid but still is indicated with the red line, so there is a reason. See, I have used this word magnetorheological fluid, but I have not used hyphen here, but in second word I have used hyphen in between. So this is considered by this Grammarly, and as soon as you will click here on this magnetorheological word, see what Grammarly is saying, inconsistent hyphenation, means you have to use hyphenation, means in one word you have not used a hyphen, in one word you have used hyphen. So you have to just click update all, so all the words will be updated either with the hyphen, either without hyphen. So I have to just update all, so the hyphen is removed. I have not used here hyphen, so I have to just click here, and so this word will be corrected. So similarly, you can correct the words those have been highlighted with this red underlines. Now we'll move to the second option. Second option, you can see here, it is clarity. So clarity means the words those are highlighted with the blue. See, clarity is indicated with the blue line. So the words those are highlighted with the blue lines, those are not incorrect word, but those need to be improved in order to improve the clarity of your research article or that particular words or sentence. For example, I have used has been proven, so you have to just click here. So what will happen, see, so I have used a passive voice, but what the Grammarly is suggesting you, see, this sentence appears to be written in the passive voice, consider writing in the active voice. There is always a better clarity if you are using active voice, but the one thing that you should understand, the Grammarly will not convert passive voice to active voice, but you have to click on these three dots. See, right side you have to click on these three dots. As soon as you will click, you will get new window, passive voice. But the Grammarly will tell you that how the passive can be converted into active. See, here are few examples also. So accordingly, you can convert that sentence in active voice, and if there is a mistake, then Grammarly will correct. But Grammarly will not itself will convert active voice to passive voice. That is an important point that you have to understand. So clarity. Then the third part is engagement. So engagement is indicated with the green line. So you have to search for green line. Somewhere we may find the words are highlighted with the green lines. See, here you will be able to see flat. Observe this word flat. This word is underlined with a gray or indicated with the green underline. So flat, relative flat viscosity. So this word is not wrong, but the Grammarly is suggesting you that you can use alternate word, maybe similar words. In case of flat viscosity, you can use low viscosity. And this is a technical word because I have selected a technical goal or technical option in the goal. So this I can also replace it with this low, so it will be corrected. So good, for this good you can use excellent. So similar word, these types of similar words, so you will be able to replace with, and this is possible with the help of this Grammarly. So this is the third option, engagement, and the next option is delivery. So delivery, you will coming across a very low cases of deliveries. Basically the delivery helps you to make the right impression on your reader. So in some cases, or there are only few cases, that the words or lines will be highlighted with this delivery option. Means you can rather, your sentence is correct, but you can rather replace this sentence with the better sentence so that your reader will get impressions or better understanding will be there. So as far as a delivery, only 4 words are there as far as delivery is concerned. So in this way, by using these 4 options, correctness, clarity, engagement and delivery, you will be able to correct your manuscript, and this accuracy level is really great. Even though, as you can see here, even though I have written this manuscript very carefully, but still you will find around 220 mistakes are there. 6 mistakes are already cleared, so 220 mistakes are there. So this will really help us to improve our manuscript or thesis from this grammatical mistakes point of view. And now we'll move towards the next option. The next option is obviously plagiarism. So you have to just click on this option, plagiarism. I will never suggest you to use Grammarly for plagiarism checking. This is because of its effectiveness. Now we'll get better idea about this. See, I have already published this research article, and as you can see here, this abstract is highlighted, complete abstract is highlighted. It is fine. So highlighted means it is copied from some research articles. But if you compare this Grammarly or plagiarism checking in Grammarly with the Turnitin software, then basically effectiveness of, see, you'll be able to see if you can see only 27% plagiarism is there. However, as it is, manuscript is already published in journal. So if you check the same manuscript with the Turnitin, you will be getting 95 to 98% plagiarism. But the Grammarly is showing only 27% plagiarism. So this second page is not at all plagiarized, that this Grammarly is saying, but it is plagiarized, or it is having a plagiarism if you checked it in Turnitin software. So this is the reason that I will never recommend to use this Grammarly software for plagiarism checking. And next window is get expert writing help. Means if you have taken the activation of the software, but still if you are not getting, you have to completely rewrite the manuscript, then you have to pay a little bit of more amount, so that this will connect you to the Grammarly personnel, and they will be having this different plan. So 59.5 for 3 days. If you are paying $59, then from 3 days might the Grammarly personnel will be able to do or correct your manuscript on their own, but for that you have to pay. But I'll never recommend this option to you. Then style guide. See, style guide as such, if you are writing research article thesis, we won't use this style guide much. This is only required, or this plan is a business plan, as you will be getting here. So if you are clicking on this style guide, then there is one plan called as business plan, where you will get number of activations or number of users also, but the cost of this plan is very high, but it is not required as we are writing research article thesis. So never go for this business plan. Grammarly premium accounts are more than enough. And then support. If you need any other relevant information of Grammarly, you have to just click. You can see frequently asked question, Grammarly support center, etc. And these three options, log out, you never have to click on this button log out, because your software is already activated here. Settings, if you need any kind of changes in this Grammarly tabs and all, you can do your setting, but we need not to go for this also. And about, in about section, so this will indicate that what this tab or what this software is. So this is Grammarly for Microsoft Office, and this is the version. We can check the updates also if the new update is there. So in this way, it is very simple to handle Grammarly premium accounts with this Microsoft Office Word, and this is the only required for research paper and thesis writing. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this information and video. If you do have any questions and queries, do write me in the comment box. I will try to answer all these questions. And importantly, if you are not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get latest research updates. So we'll see in my next video. Bye bye.